Divorce, chat. If they get a divorce by the end of the video, I will gift 100 members.
No.
Oh my God, bro. Why did you guys even have a child? You can't even speak English. You just talk in noises. And now he is putting his baby in the microwave, chat. He is putting his baby in the microwave, chat. He is putting his child in the I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect that plot twist. That's very unexpected. Hey, thanks, Max. Absolute brain rot. Fulton raid. Oh, thanks, Fulton. All right, chat. I'm gonna have to scroll here. Let's get to